What's up, YouTube? And as you can see, today's video is this to this. You tuning in with Ace from Down and on Ace. If you haven't tapped in, tap in now. But I'm on my baby girl page, Shawn, and she about to show you how to take care of your hair today. So right now, as you can see, my baby going through the detangling process right now. What I know is she's sectioning off everything. After she's sectioning off, she gonna wet it up a little bit, and then she gonna put the nails through them green highlighted nails. Hey, that looks sexy on you, baby. But for real, nah. She about to comb through it to make sure you just detangling your hair, because again, if you do this before you get in the shower and like really try to comb it out, you're gonna be pulling out a lot of hair, and you don't want to do that. So what she's doing right now is she just spraying a little bit of water, make it a little wet, make it easier on your scalp and your hair to just detangle a little bit. And she got it sectioned off in 4s. I'm a crybaby, so I'd probably make her section off in 8 if it was me. So bam, as you can see, she's wrapping up her last section, and she's gonna give you a little quick turnaround. Cute. Deep conditioner. Y'all need to deep condition your hair still before you get in the shower. It's called like pre-pooing and stuff. You trying to make your hair, I don't know the word for it. To me, it'd be like more of a soft texture and more, again, combed out. Because again, if you get in the shower and try to do this, what I do with my hair before I met Shauna is I'm getting straight in the shower. I'm pulling out so much dead ends, so much this and the third. And it's like, as you can see, pre-pooing. Look, I told you I know what I'm talking about, man. But yeah, before I got with Shauna, yeah, I wasn't doing that. So I was pulling out a lot of hair, like for real. So again, you want to do this before you get in the shower just to, you know, just keep your hair healthy. You don't want nothing happening to your hair, man. That's an important part to your identity, man, for real. And as she's deep conditioning each one, she's gonna braid it off. And my baby girl been braiding since she was in the womb. She was braiding the umbilical cord and stuff. You already know what's going on, man. She's for real with it. So again, I'm learning from the best. So if I mess up, y'all comment, tell me I ain't know what I was talking about, and I definitely understand. But for real, she gonna get y'all right. So definitely tap in Shawn Don. She's about to go crazy for the whole month of May, because Gemini season around the corner, and that's my baby birthday. But yeah, she just deep conditioner, and she's putting everything in section still, braiding it off. Bam. Then she gonna put her little cap on, because again, I don't know what she doing this. Oh, that's why. She put the cap on because she about to dry it up a little bit. That cheetah print little hat that she wearing, I think that's like a drying system. It just like dry your hair up a little bit, because you don't want to just keep it soaking wet. You want to dry it up a little. You want to let the moisturizer get deep into your hair. Like let it sit for a little bit, and that speeds up the process. After that, we get into the shower. And I don't know what video she's trying to show y'all today, but hey, I need to talk to her after this. Nah, it's playing, but for real. She is washing out everything real quick. Make sure her hair moisturized. She gonna shampoo it. Bam. With me, I'm gonna hit about 5 scoops, because I don't know how to wash my hair, but she a pro at this, so she know how much she need. But basically with the shampoo, all you doing is just washing out any dirt, any dandruff, anything you got in your hair, and your scalp just not feeling good or your hair not feeling good, that's what you're washing out with the shampoo. But again, you want to make sure once you washing it out with the water, you want to get all of that shampoo out because it's going to dry your hair off at the end of the day. So after you scrub it up with the shampoo, make sure you wash that thing out for real. Then after that, you're going to come in with some conditioner. Bam. Just like she showed you, come in with that conditioner. Again, I'm a wasteful ass person, no lie. With me, you seen how she did it? She only did about 3 little scoops and she perfect. She know how to spread it out. With me, I'm gonna do them 3 scoops one time. Then I'm gonna come back with another 3. Then I'm gonna come back with a final 1 or 2. But yeah, with the conditioner, you just wanna make sure you touching every area of your hair. Your scalp, your edges, the ends, the middle. Make sure you touch every part of your hair to just make sure it's getting that nutrients. You feel me? So right now she's just washing out the conditioner, making sure everything rinsed out to her standard. And as you can see, them curls are popping. Ooh, shudder. Now let me stop playing for real. I think what she about to do next is section off her hair and then start putting some moisturizer. As you just seen, I didn't get to read it because I'm over here trying to talk to y'all, so I'm fumbling the bag. But yeah, you want to put that moisturizer in and comb it out and then braid it, because the braiding pretty much save your process. If you play any game, it's pretty much that checkpoint where you can save the game and you can die and then come back to life type of thing in that same point. So basically, again, all she's doing is just sectioning off everything. 9 times out of 10, I think if she just split them up in 2, she about to do 4 on each side, which is 8. But if it was me doing my own hair, I'm probably doing about 50 on each side because I'm so tender-headed. So I'm doing the least of the least. So it really depends on what you are comfortable with. But at the end of the day, if you have not subscribed, if you have not put the notification bell on, you need to right now, because she's about to come with hairstyles for the whole month of May. I'm telling y'all, tap in right now on Shawn. She is a beast at this, like, for real. Yeah, like, she done won about 15 Super Bowls with her hair, like, dead ass. So y'all need to definitely tap in. And also tap in on Down on Nace. We got a lot of videos coming in, man. Like, for real. We out here going crazy. But again, as you can see, she's just doing a little moisturizer, combing it out a little bit with her beautiful nails, and then she's braiding it up. That's all you got to do. But again, that braid is going to pretty much save the process of you combing it out. If you just comb it out, from the air, it's going to start, like, tangling it back up. I've dealt with that plenty of times. Like, it's not good. So if you're doing your hair, and once you start it, don't sit in here and try to wait till the next day to keep going. Like, do that now, please. But again, it's an easy process. Just follow along. Alright, so I think this is her last braid. Once you get done with that, pretty much the process is over. You did it. You completed it. Now you can dribble up and down the court like Bow Wow. Nah, I was playing. You killed it, man. Y'all enjoy. Thanks for watching.